That's one side pretty much done.
Well, at least this, see, this clears right here. See, clears it.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, look at behind it. Look behind it.
Can't see from that.
So we just got this one on right now. Pretty simple. Did the PVC delete, and then we put this one. Taking this one off soon. We're starting this side.
No, but it definitely squeezes it a little bit.
A little bit, but this is the most important part right here. Cause I gotta find my dad's drill set, and then we can fucking do that shit. But I don't know where the fuck he put that shit. This we gotta take out. We gotta figure out how to take this one out.
You don't think we could just take this out, bro?
Behind it, look behind it. If you look behind it, there's 2 screws. And if you look at my 370Z, we go over here to the 370Z. I don't have those screws. One bit. Still looking beautiful, guys. That's my boy. We're doing his intakes. Also, check this out. Yep, that's loose. And that's loose. So this car did have intakes. So I'm gonna be re-getting the intakes. He probably put still in intakes, because this car does make quite a bit of power. Also, I just figured out how to put this on. If you remember, it didn't have it, but now it looks way cleaner. And the same for this side. Super clean. Let me zoom out. Oh yes, super clean. Well, let's see if it fits. If it fits, we're golden. And in this one, we got to figure out how to take this one out. Oil leak though.
Can you give me a clamp?
Yeah, I can get the clamp. That's you on Motorsports. Here's the intake. Hydraulic power steering pump, it'll be right in here, but it doesn't. It just has the brake fluid one. Man, that shit looks so clean.
I'm kind of stuck on how this isn't going all the way in.
You gotta push it all the way, push it all the way. I know it's gonna hurt, but that's the only way to do it. So keep going. I mean, I got WD-40. There you go. I see. It's going in little by little. You want to do WD-40? It's gonna dry up anyways.
No. Is that the max? How much am I in?
No, you can do more.
Take it out. No way we gotta take it out, bro.
That's crazy. I mean, I got more WD-40, but this gotta go right in. I mean, we could do it, but
no.
Oh yeah, the thing we could do. Damn.
This isn't on tight. Look, unloosen here. You loosen
so
here.
you unloosen that. Pull it out. Keep going.
No, we gotta take this one out. Holy fuck, but this shit.
Oh no.
Nah.
That bitch said I ain't coming out anymore.
Oh my god. Bro.
Well.
Before we do that,
You want to do this one?
Yeah,
let's do this one first, and then this one we'll attack later. But let's do this one first. So actually, you can put the intake right now. Look, you have enough clearance to do it before we do anything. And then like we could just remember we're using a ratchet. We're not using a screwdriver. But we gotta.
We need to take it out, bro. Just take it out. Just take it out.
Take this one out, but we need to take that out.
Take what?
This plastic thing right here.
Why? This?
Yeah, because the other one doesn't have it. Look at the other one. This one doesn't have it. That's how I was able to get in all the way.
Alright.
Yeah. Clean. That's airflow sensor is on now. We're just putting back the intake. Let's go. Take out this piece of shit plastic thing right there. Take out this clamp right here, and then that clamp right there. And then that little hole. Come on, take that shit out.
Trying, bro.
Keep tilting it. Keep tilting it.
No, I can't.
Cause the
Don't tell me I have to
man,
take the intake
take,
out, bro.
there you go. Take it out. Oh fuck. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Hold on, bro. There's something right here.
Pull. Lift it up. Lift it up. It's the AC. It's the AC stuff. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it. You got it. There we go. Throw that shit out there. Garbage ass crap. All right, now we.
Nigga, damn.
Welcome to the car life. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Alright,
Shit's
now we're
clean.
ready to.
Now we're ready to get the intake on.
Oh, we need to. Is that one tightened?
No, that one doesn't look tightened. That one over there. No, I don't look tightened.
No, it's not.
Damn. Oh, that one. That's crazy. Well, remember, we still gotta take that. No, we still gotta do the sensor.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. The whole, you turn on the car, that shit gonna be clock, clock, clock. That pipe.
Alright, so let's get this one done.
Alright, let's do this one. I'm gonna install that filter, so we'll be right back. Right back with the video. Look at that shit. That WD-40. Alright, so we're gonna get that.
Why is there's like.
We're gonna pinch that right in there.
There's like 6 more of these shits, bro.
One for the intake, right here. One for this one right here in the corner. So this one is one for here.
2 right there.
2 right here. 1 right here. And 1 right here. How many you got? 2 more. Maybe he give you extra, but there's no fucking need. Oh, wait, I mean, if you want to double tighten this, maybe. If you want to double tighten, two for that. If you want to.
Yeah, I'll see the video where it's that. Okay. So feed that bitch through. Oh, I need the WD-40 one.
There, here's the lubricant. We're gonna lube the pipe, so it's, you know, so this condom slides right in there. Just lubricate that with your greasy ass hands. All the way up to the there you go, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm about to put the camera down. Yeah, I'll hold the pipe. You just feed it. Keep going. Oh, you know we're supposed to put the whatever. I mean, you could just take this whole thing out. It doesn't matter. The whole,
Okay.
yeah. Go ahead. Oh no.
Is that max? No, we're nowhere near max.
Near max.
Okay,
You
hold
gotta
on.
be as close to that one right there. So we might have to lubricate it a little bit more.
No, it's lubed up good. It's just.
Here, if you want, push it from here. Push it from here. Is it going?
No. We need more lubricant.
Yeah, we need to take it out.
Oh, bro.
Hold on.
Yep.
Damn. Lube that shit up with all that WD-40. Do it fast before it disintegrates. Cause this shit. There's a bunny over there somewhere. Oh, it's a bird. Alright. I'm gonna pinch it real quick so we get started before the fucking lubricant says I'm out. Alright. Alright. Guide it in. I mean, hold up. We wanna put this one first? Alright, go.
No, that's not. We have to put it on this over here.
Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah, leave it there.
Go.
I'm gonna put the phone down. Cut that if you want. We could cut it. You could break it. Did you get the thing I gave you? It's somewhere over here by the tools. And you can just cut it. We could cut that if you want. No, it's barely even touching it. But we could cut it. Just cut it right here and right here or right here.
No, that's fine, bro. Leave it like that.
Alright. Just like that, everyone. Now we gotta do that side. Put the intake on. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the intake. Put it on. Put it. Face it this way, right here. Like that. Push it like that. Yeah.
Here we go.
It sticks out a little bit, but we could just push it in. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Looks fine. It's not gonna be even all the way unless you want to zip tie it.
Oh fuck.
Unless you want to zip tie it right here, so like to here.
Yeah, probably.
That one doesn't have it though.
Just even it out there.
Damn, these long intake look good though.
Yeah. That's pretty much final product right there, kind of.
Yeah.
So we line it up.
Just line it up. Dude, on camera it looks pretty good.
Yeah, we gotta wash it.
I hope I have time. If not, I go to the car wash. You know what I'm talking about? The one with the pressure washer?
Where?
In Color Bay. Or Homestead. Everyone, we're gonna start the car. As you can see, all the intakes are on, the airflow sensor is on. All right, moment of truth. All right, turn it on. Turn on the car. Oh, the key? Oh shit, the key. All right, hold up. All right, let me stand back. Okay, man, whenever you're ready. Turn on, you gotta keep doing it.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Nah, what the fuck happened?
Give it a little bit of gas. The engine's not gonna blow up. Remember, there's too much air going in, so it has to reset the whole thing.
You sure?
Yeah, the same thing happened to my boy with his Z. They did the intakes and it didn't want to start. It went to limp mode. But then when he drove it like one day and then it went back on.
The car like turned off.
Give it a little bit of gas.
Shit. Ain't no way, bro.
Dude, all...
What could it be?
Oh, wait a minute. I know what it is.
What?
Our dumb boy, my dumbass forgot to put in the air mass flow sensor. It's the sensors for the airflow.
They're in. Oh my god.
No, they're not. Oh no. Take one, everyone. Take one. We're back now. So just turn it on now. We should be good. Okay. There we go. Sounds nice. Yeah, you got deeper, your exhaust. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like that, we are done. Look at it. Look how good it looks. Sounds pretty nice. Well, everyone, if you liked the video, enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I gotta go to work.